Looking for a comfortable and durable replacement for your tractor? In this video, we're covering the top 5 best tractor seats of 2026, featuring options designed for improved comfort, support, durability, and suspension. Whether you need a replacement seat for a lawn tractor, garden tractor, UTV, or agricultural machine, these picks offer practical solutions for different equipment and budgets.
We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Starting at number 1. Stens 420-182 High-Back Seat. The Stens 420-182 high-back seat is a replacement seat designed for several older John Deere lawn and garden tractors, including the LX255, LX277, LX277 AWS, LX279, LX288, 325, 335, 345, 355D, GT225, GT235, and GT235E models within specified serial number ranges. It replaces OEM part numbers AM125383 and AM131531 and features a durable vinyl construction with a high-back design for added support. The seat measures approximately 21 and 11/16 inches deep, 15.5 inches high, and 18 inches wide, and is designed for vehicle-specific fitment. Manufactured by Stens to OEM quality standards, it also comes with a 1-year warranty, making it a practical replacement option for restoring comfort and functionality to compatible John Deere tractors. Number 2. New Black Universal Tractor Seat. The Tisco TS1050 ATSPC Universal Tractor Seat is a heavy-duty replacement seat designed for a wide range of agricultural tractors, including applications from Ford, New Holland, and Case IH. It features a durable black vinyl, waffle pattern surface that is vacuum formed and heat welded for water resistance, along with a full mechanical suspension system designed to reduce vibration from rough terrain. The seat includes a 5-angle adjustable base, slide tracks, mounting brackets, and approximately 2.5 inches of fore/aft adjustment, while its wraparound back and armrests provide additional support. The listed dimensions are approximately 19 inches wide, 23 inches high, and 21 inches deep, although other product listings give slightly different measurements, so checking the mounting dimensions before purchase is recommended. Number 3. SUNBELT AB1 LGT 100BL High-Back Vinyl Seat. The SUNBELT AB1 LGT 100BL High-Back Vinyl Seat is a universal replacement seat designed for lawnmowers, garden tractors, UTVs, ATVs, and other agricultural or utility equipment. It features a durable heavy-duty molded vinyl construction, a high-back design for added operator support, and a drain hole to help prevent water from collecting on the seat. Multiple mounting patterns make it adaptable to a wide variety of equipment, and it can accommodate a round operator presence safety switch. The seat measures approximately 26 by 20 by 14 inches and weighs about 10 pounds, with a universal fit design that is compatible with equipment from brands such as John Deere, Kubota, Case IH, Ford/New Holland, and others. Number 4. EW222BL Wraparound Black Universal Tractor Seat. The EW222BL Wraparound Black Universal Tractor Seat from Parts Incorporated is a versatile aftermarket replacement designed for tractors from John Deere, Ford, Massey Ferguson, and other brands. It features a durable black vinyl wraparound cushion, an adjustable slide track, and weight-adjustable suspension rated up to 300 pounds for improved comfort during extended tractor operation. The seat offers multiple adjustment angles and measures approximately 21.25 inches long, 21.75 inches wide, and 20.5 inches high, with the seat cushion measuring about 9.5 inches from bottom to top. It includes 8 M8x14 mounting bolts and is a non-flip-up design. Because it is a universal fit seat, checking the existing mounting hole pattern before installation is recommended. Number 5. LMS 2002 Seat Fits Universal Several. The LMS 2002 replacement seat is a universal black riding mower and tractor seat designed to replace part numbers such as LMS 2002, SE110, A LMS 2002, B1 SE110, CS3509, and LGS97. It is compatible with a wide range of lawn and garden equipment brands, including Gravely, MTD, National, Snapper, Toro, Yazoo, Western, Boland's, Gilson, Roper, Wilhorse, Dixon, Massey, and Murray. The seat uses a durable frame with a black covering and is designed for straightforward replacement, while commonly listed dimensions are approximately 19 inches wide, 18.5 inches deep, and 13 inches high. Some versions do not include a provision for an operator presence safety switch, so checking the mounting hole pattern in your mower's existing seat setup is important before purchasing.